This lecture I will obtain 2-bit multiplier circuit and also explain how it works. We call it 2-bit multiplier because it is used to multiply 2-bit numbers. Let's say A is the first number and it is having 2 bits, A1, A0. A1 is the MSB, A0 is the LSB. The second 2-bit number is B with B1 and B0 as the 2 bits. This box here represents the 2-bit multiplier circuit. A and B are the two inputs. Both A and B are represented by this thick arrow because they are multi-bit numbers. A is a 2-bit number and B is also a 2-bit number. The output of this circuit is P, where P stands for the product that we obtain after multiplying A and B. The output P is a 4-bit number, because when you multiply two 2-bit numbers, P1 and P0 are the 4 bits of the product that we are getting from this 2-bit multiplier. Now I will explain how to obtain values of P3, P2, P1 and P0. A and B are the two numbers that we have to multiply. This means we are multiplying A1, A0 by B1, B0. The process of multiplication will remain similar as decimal numbers. We are dealing with base 2 numbers, they are the binary numbers, but the process that we will follow to multiply A and B will remain same as the decimal numbers. First I will multiply A0 with B0 and A1 with B0. When you multiply A0 and B0, you have A0, B0, and when you multiply A1 with B0, you have A1, B0. Weight of this position is 2 raised to power 0 and weight of this position is 2 raised to power 1. In the next step, I will multiply B1 with A0 and B1 with A1. When you multiply B1 and A0, let's see what we have. A0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0. Weight of this position is 2 raised to power 0 multiplied by B1 and weight is 2 raised to power 1. Weight of this position is 2 raised to power 1. So finally we have A0 B1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. So this result of multiplication will go to this column A0 B1 because weight of this column is 2 raised to power 1. So I will put a cross mark because no result will fall in this column when you multiply A1 and A0 by B1. In the same way, when you multiply A1 and B1, when you multiply A1 and B1, you have A1, B1 and the weight is 2 raised to power 2. So the result will go to the next column A1, B1. Weight of this column is 2 raised to power 2. And to obtain the final result, we need to perform the addition separately for all the columns. Column 1 is for weight 2 raised to power 0. Column 2 is for weight 2 raised to power 1. Column 3 is for weight 2 raised to power 2. And the fourth column is for weight 2 raised to power 3. And we will perform the addition for all the 4 columns individually.